I would say that the OuterBox SEO team is very knowledgeable of what they're doing, and they have shown that they can give us the results we're looking for. My name is Josh Walk. I am the Director of Digital Content and E-Marketing here at Boat and RV Accessories. Boat and RV Accessories, we started about 10 years ago, and we've gone from about 1,000 SKUs to over 10,000 unique SKUs in that time frame. We serve customers all over the world and here in the United States, anyone who can get on the internet and look up something on Google. We were really trying to boost our own personal sales channel, and we did a lot of sales through Amazon and eBay already, but we noticed there was a downturn in sales on our personal website, so we were looking for someone who could come in, kind of solve those issues, bring more customers directly to us. We found OuterBox again, through a Google search. They were actually the top ranked result when we were looking for SEO and web development, and that was a great sign as we were also looking to increase our Google rankings. Before working with OuterBox, our search engine rankings were random. It was like if we got lucky, we would have something in the top 10, top 5. Now that we can have a plan of attack with OuterBox, we're constantly seeing those rankings in the top 10 where we want them to be. Every month we get together with the account manager and a couple of the members of the SEO team with OuterBox. We go over the last month's what they were able to accomplish, the increase in the rankings, our sales numbers, and the things that we're hoping to prioritize for the next month. When we started with OuterBox, we were hoping to see an increase in our sales numbers through our personal website, and we saw that number double within the first year and continue to increase the following years after that. We communicate with OuterBox either via email or by giving them a phone call, and they're quick to respond to any questions or concerns we may have. After working with OuterBox the past couple of years, we've seen our top 10 rankings increase dramatically, and we are very confident in the ability to have customers find us when they're looking for someone online.